Hey guys, Miss Bankett here, and today is Friday, so you know what that means. I have another cooking video for you. So today we're going to make a grilled cheese. I tried to find a recipe that would be simple, so that you wouldn't have to go out to the store to buy any of the ingredients, and hopefully you already have the ingredients for our recipe at home today. Alright, so I'm going to pull up our recipe. Okay, so here it is. We have our grilled cheese recipe. Awesome. So it says that we are going to need a griddle, a knife, a spatula, and a plate. So I'm going to get those things. For the griddle, I have one, but I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to use my stove. So as you can see, there's my stove right there. I'm going to get my knife. I'm using a plastic blue knife, a spatula, here is my spatula, and a plate. Here's my plate. And my ingredients, I'm going to need bread, butter, and cheese. Here's my bread, some honey wheat, butter, and cheese. Butter. Here's my butter. Butter and cheese. All right, and so you guys know that I'm special, I'm unique, I do things differently. So instead of just making a plain old grilled cheese, I'm going to attempt to make what I'm going to call my version of a panini. So I'm going to use some turkey breast, oven roasted turkey breast lunch meat. Awesome. All right, so we have our materials. Let's make sure. I'm going to use my oven, or my stove, my apologies, my stove as my griddle, my knife, my spatula, my plate, my bread, these are my ingredients, my butter, my cheese, and to spice it up, my lunch meat. Regular grilled cheese is called for American cheese, but you can use whatever type of cheese you want. I'm not a big American cheese fan, so I'm going to use Swiss. All right, so let's go to our directions. So it says put 2 slices of bread on the plate. All right, so I'm going to get my bread out. Parents, this is actually an awesome task for our kiddos to do, as it uses their motor skills to do the twist tie, if your bread has it. If not, then it's still a great opportunity for them to be able to do it. Okay, I'm going to take out 2 slices of bread. 2 slices of bread. All right, what does it say we have to do next? Then it says, get a knife and spread butter on one side of each piece of bread. All right. So here's my knife. So let's put my bread away. All right. My knife, my butter. All right, I'm gonna use my knife to get my butter. I'm going to spread it. Now, this does not have to be perfect, but parents, just try to make sure that your kiddos do get butter over the whole slice of bread. And you can use as much butter as you'd like. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna go back to my recipe to make sure on one side of each piece of bread. Okay, cool. Okay. And I got a plastic knife specifically for this video, so that you can see that your kiddos can do this independently. We always use plastic knives in the classroom, just so that they can get the experience of doing some of these life skills, independently. But doing it in a safe way. Alright. Okay, cool beans. Alright. Step number 3. Put 2 slices of cheese on one side of the bread with no butter. Alright. So I'm going to flip this over. And I get my cheese. Oh, excuse me. 2 slices of cheese. This could be a great math activity. Oh, I'm so small. Sorry, guys. Counting the slices of cheese. 1, 2. Alrighty, dighty. Then it says, put the sandwich together and put the butter side on the griddle. So what I'm going to do, because I'm not just making any ordinary grilled cheese, I'm going to put my meat on my sandwich before I put my slices of bread together. So if you do decide to add meat, add as however much your heart desires. I just like to get enough so that it covers the bread. Alright. Put that back. Let me rinse my fingers. I don't know if I said this already, but before I started this video, I definitely did use the bathroom, so that's why I didn't wash my hands in the beginning of the video. Alright, I'm going to add some pepper to give my meat a little bit of taste. Some pepper. Personal preference. Like I always say in my videos, you don't have to do exactly as I do it. But there we go. Okay, so I'm going to try to show you my sandwich so far. So this is what it looks like so far. I have my 2 slices of bread with my cheese. I added my lunch meat and my pepper. Alright. Let's see what's next. So we have to put the sandwich together and put the butter side on the griddle. Alright. Alright, because this recipe requires the food to be cooked, parents, this is where you can take over. Because I'm using my stove, I've got a big enough nonstick pan. I'm going to turn my heat on a little. And the directions were to put the sandwich together and then add it to the griddle. So the kiddos can put the sandwich together. Alright. And then we're going to just put this bad boy on here. Spatula. Alright, let's see what our other instructions say. Cook the sandwich on both sides. Use a spatula to put the sandwich on the plate. Alright, so now at this point, we're just going to wait for our sandwich to cook. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I have now cooked my grilled cheese. I'm going to call it a panini. And this is the finished product. So this is my sandwich. So I did step 5. I cooked my sandwich on both sides and I used a spatula to put the sandwich on the plate. Now I'm on step 6. Get a knife and cut the sandwich in half. Halves sound familiar to me. I remember in school we talked about halves. So if I have half, I'm going to cut this in half. And parents, allow your kiddos to do this part too. Okay. If I have half, then I have 2 pieces. We talked about fractions briefly before school was over. If I put them together, I have 1 whole, and a half makes 2 pieces. Awesome. Alright guys, so I genuinely hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm going to continue to try to find recipes that are easy yet simple, and hopefully you have the ingredients at home already. I don't want you guys to have to go out to the store every week to buy the things that I'm making. So like I say always in all my videos, please, if you have any suggestions, do not hesitate to let me know. Comment on the videos, or you can shoot me an email. You can also message me via the S'more page if you don't have my email. And yeah, I'm now going to go and enjoy my grilled cheese. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.